आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello student. The question here is find the variance and standard deviation for the following of distribution, where xi is given are 4.5, 14.5, 24.5 till 64.5, and frequencies of the respective xi's are given as 1, 5, 12, 22, 17, and 9 and 4. So what we'll do first, we will make tables. Okay. Now, we'll make tables to write all the given data, and then we will use this data to find out the standard variance and standard deviation. Now, xi's are given as 4, 5, 14.5, 24, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, and 54.5 till 64.5. So these are the 2, 3 total 8 frequencies are given. 8 values are given. 4, 5, 6, 7, 4.5, 14.5. Sorry, 5 is not here. This is 4.5. Sorry for the mistake. 4.5, 14.5, 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, and 64.5. And respective frequencies are given as 1, 5, 12, 22, 17, 9, and 4. Now what we will do? We will calculate xi, fi. Okay. Now the xi, when we multiply xi with the respective fi, we will get xi fi, and that will be equal to 4.5, 72.5, 294, 759, 756.5, 163.5, and 258. So these are the values for xi, fi. Okay. And why we have calculated xi, fi? So that we can calculate the mean of the given data. Okay. To calculate the mean of the given data, we need to find the summation of fi and summation of xi, fi. So summation of fi is equal to 60, and summation of fi xi is equal to 2308. Okay, it is 2308. Now the mean, we know that mean will be equal to, or we can say that in this case mean will be equal to summation of xi, fi upon summation of fi. Therefore, and mean is equal to, which can be represented as x bar, will be equal to 2308 upon 60, summation of xi, fi upon summation of fi. This will be equal to 38.467. So this is our mean. Okay. Now to calculate variance, we have to find x minus xi, x minus x bar, or we have to subtract mean from each of the given values. So we can say that then xi minus x bar in the respective cases will be equal to minus 33.967 minus 23.9 13.967 minus 13.967 minus 3.967 plus 6.033, 16.033 and 26.033. Okay. Now in this case again we have to calculate the, now after this we have to calculate xi minus x bar whole square. We have to calculate this to find the variance. So when we take the square of the given just calculated xi minus x bar, we will get this as 1153.757 573.698 195.077. Sorry, this will be for here, this will be for here, and for this again I am writing it correctly, this will be 15.737. The square of this will be 36.397. Square of this will be 257.057, and the square of this will be equal to 677.717. Okay, so we are able to calculate the x bar, xi minus x bar the whole square we are able to find out. Now what we will do, we will multiply the respective frequencies with, xi minus x bar whole square. So we again have to find fi into xi minus x bar whole square. Okay, this will be, I'll write it here, fi into xi minus x bar whole square for the respective frequencies, and that will be equal to, for first data it will be equal to 1153.757. For the second data it will be equal to 2868.49. For third it will be equal to 2340.924. For fourth data this will be equal to, fourth data it will be equal to 346.214. For fifth data it will be equal to 618.749. For fifth data it will be 6. For sixth data it will be 2313.513, and for seventh and last data it will be equal to 2710.868. Now to calculate the variance we have to take summation of this also, and that will be equal to, when we take summation of this, it will be equal to, this will be equal to 12352.515. Now we know that variance will be equal to, summation of fi xi minus x bar whole square, or in this case this is 12352.515 upon summation of frequencies minus 1. So summation of frequencies we have calculated as 60. So when we subtract 1 from that, it will be equal to 59 upon upon dividing this we will get this as 209.364. so this will be our variance, which is represented as sigma square, and the standard deviation we know that is equal to sigma, or when we take the square root of 209.364 we will get our standard deviation, which will be equal to 14.469. so to find the standard deviation and variance, first we have to arrange the given data in the table, then we have to find xi, fi and summation of frequency also, then we have to calculate the mean. After calculating mean, we have to subtract in each and every given xi with the mean, and then we have to find the square of that difference. After finding out the difference, we have to multiply it with the given frequency, respective frequency, and then we have to take the summation of that data also, and the variance will be equal to summation of fi into xi minus x bar whole square upon summation of frequency minus 1. That's why we have taken 59 in the denominator, which is equal to 60 minus 1. So this will give us the variance or sigma square as 209.364, and the standard deviation is always equal to square root of variance. So that will be equal to 14.469. Okay. So this is our answer for the given question. I hope this has answered your question and your doubt is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।